Hi there, today we're unboxing an 8-port charge station. So details are in the description below for anyone thinking of purchasing. So let's have a quick look around the packaging. Plain packaging on this one, nothing fancy at all, just some model details there and actual branding. Let's open it up, see what we get. Okay, so the actual docking station initially. Take the cover off and we've got power adapter. Quite a large one actually. Cable wise, build quality seems good, and just to show the actual output is 20 volts, 6,000 milliamps. Okay, then we got the actual cable to plug in the power adapter. Build quality seems good, but the actual cable's no good to me because I'm in the UK and this isn't a UK plug. So that's what it looks like. I've got a similar cable to this anyway, so I'll use the one I've got to test it. Okay, so you've got a mount with it as well. So it's dual purpose. You can actually mount this to a wall or use it lying flat on a table. Okay, you've got some separators here. Screws and raw plugs. Got a thank you card from the actual company. And some instructions. One side's in Chinese and the other side's in English. Okay, so I've laid out all the items you get in the packaging. So let's have a look at the actual docking station. So 4 ports there, 3 standard USB ports and 1 Type-C. 2 of the ports here, 2.4 amps. One's a quick charge 3.0 Type-C. And if I flip it around, you can see these 4 ports are 2.4 amps each. Now, in terms of flexibility, this is quite a cool product, only because you can either use it like this, take the actual mount, slot it in there, and you could actually have it like that on your desk, for instance, or mount it directly onto a wall in your office and have the points coming off. So quite nice in terms of functionality. If I take it out, now this is the rear of the actual product and it's got 4 rubber pads, obviously to stop it slipping on the surface. Now this is where it's quite cool with this product because you've got these separators, and if you put them in, you can put all your devices in between it. Nice that it's got the flexibility, so if you had, say, a large case on your device, you can adjust it to accommodate it. So got a tablet here just to show. We use the larger tabs for the tablet, and you could probably come in closer as well. You want to keep it as reasonably tight as possible. Got another tablet here, and that's got a cover on there, so I'll come in quite tight with that as well. And then I've got some phones I can put in there as well. So this one here, again, large case on there. I'll come in actually here for this one. So that's 3 devices so far. 4 and another one. So 5 devices on there. Just to show a bit more of an angle. Very tidy way to charge all your devices, and it fits in there quite snugly. Okay, so I've put in all the separators into place here, and let's get it plugged in. So looking at this side, you've got the point where you plug it in, and I'm going to use my cable to power the actual power adapter. Okay, that's plugged in. There's no on-off buttons on this all the way around, so straight away you've got a green light appearing. That indicates obviously it's on. Okay, so next I'm going to take a cable and plug it in to one of the standard charge points. And I've got a meter here, and it would actually tell you the actual charge that's given out. So volts, 5 volts and 0 amps. So I've got my mobile here just to show, and if I plug that in, you can see, give it a moment just to stabilize, 0.38 on that one. Okay, and if I show the actual charging, charger connected, and that's it. It's not saying fast charge or anything, so just a standard charge on that one. If I move on to the actual fast charge point here. We're seeing 0.58 on there, and there you go, fast charger connected. Okay, it's still stabilizing, so 0.64 on there. So there you go, that confirms got fast charge port, and the rest are standard charge. So let's just verify the others as well while we're at it. So 4 on this side, plug it in. 4, 6, yep. 4, 6 again. Okay, 4, 6 again. So we'll assume they're all the same then. Okay, so next, what I'm going to show, I've got the fast charge connected on this, and I'm going to take the other devices and plug it in and see if that's impacted in any way. So I've got the meter showing here. Let's push that in just to make sure that doesn't come out. So at the moment, we've got 0.58. So it is fluctuating a little bit. So fast charge on there at the moment. Take my first device, so a tablet. I put it in there, and the cable can just go straight in the top for this one. Okay, so now we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 devices charging off that. And just to show on the actual meter, it's still 0.58. It's probably fluctuating a little bit. That's probably because of the cables I've got. So 0.61, and if I go up, it's still fast charging. So there you go. Works pretty well. It doesn't struggle if there's multiple devices on there. Okay, so you've seen the unboxing and setup of this 8-port charge station. Build quality is good and nice. It's got the flexibility, enabling you to adjust the actual separators in between it, and even dual purpose to a point of, if you don't want to use it in this method, you can collapse it and use it as just a standard charging station, which can be mounted on a wall as well. So really impressed with it. Just a shame it didn't come with a set of shorter cables to use. But other than that, a great product. Details are in the description below for anyone thinking of purchasing. Thanks for viewing, and don't forget to like and subscribe.